In this video, I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password on Fastlink router. Make sure your computer, tablet or smartphone is connected to your Fastlink Wi-Fi network. You need this connection to access your router settings. Open a web browser like Chrome, Firefox or Edge, etc. In the address bar, type one of the following default router IP addresses and press enter. 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.8.1. It will depending on your router model. You will see a login page asking for a username and password. The default credentials are usually username, admin, password, admin. All are lowercase. If this credential don't work, check the label on the back of your router for the correct details. If you have changed the login credentials before, use your custom username and password. Once logged in, look for wireless settings. Depending on your Fastlink router model, it may list it under Basic Settings, Advanced Settings. Find the field labeled Wi-Fi password, pre-shared key, security key. Delete the current password and enter a new strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Click Save or Apply to confirm the new password. Your Fastlink router may restart for the changes to effect. Once the Wi-Fi password is updated, all connected devices will be disconnected, including the one you are using. Use the new password to reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Wi-Fi password on a Fastlink router. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.